Hi everyone, welcome back to another fishing episode of ours. My name is Avor and today I will be going out bottom fishing alone in a reef about 10 kilometers in the ocean, while Thomas and our friend Jux will spear fishing and casting their fishing nets near the beach. This place you are looking at right now is a lagoon where we use to keep our canoes. Whenever we want to go fishing, we usually go there, take our canoes and paddle out into the ocean and go fishing. I will take Thomas with me to the beach where he will meet up with Jux, and I'll go out bottom fishing in the reef. As you can see, I'm turning my canoe, and from there we will be paddling through a narrow passage to the ocean. Narrow passage to the ocean. Open ocean. 5 p.m. "5 a.m. I spent the whole night on the reef. However, I caught nothing due to the fact that I brought only 2 fishing lines with me yesterday evening, and both of them snapped early in the evening by huge fish. I wanted to paddle back ashore, but the waves at the beach is very rough, making it dangerous for me to paddle ashore with the canoe, so I spent the night at the reef. I paddled back ashore to see Thomas and Jux to see if they were doing okay. They did really well. They cast their fishing nets at night, while I'm out in the ocean, and in the morning Jux spear fishing along the mouth of River Barima with his fishing guns.